Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami paper crane that looks like this. Make an origami paper crane. First, you need to fold it like this so it makes a square. Then, get some scissors and cut it. Unfold it, and now you have a square. You have to fold it like this. Then you unfold it like this. Then like this. Unfolding, it should look like all these lines. After, make your paper like this and fold it in like this and press on this like this, a tiny square. You need to fold it so it looks like a kite. And do it on both sides. Look like this. Next, you fold it so it helps you like this on both sides. Fold it, unfold it like this. Then make this flap go up and put this inside like this. Do it on both sides. Doing that, make the flap go up like this on both sides. Then after, it should look like this. You need to fold it so it's even on both sides. After that, it should look like this. Fold it like this so it looks like a dog's face. It should look like this. Then there should be a tiny line here. Then fold it up like this. Do that on both sides. It should look like this after. Then fold it like this again. Then you fold these down. So these are the wings. Then fold this. That's the head. Then make this go back. And that's your paper crane. Thank you for watching how to make an origami paper crane. Bye!